And this video I'm going to show you how to use the inside interior aircon and how to open the engine bonnet and how to use the seat with the rotation and the electrical seat. So we start again because I turned off the car. So again, please make sure all the button is off before you start the engine. Are we ready? Okay. I will only turn on these two because I only going to show you the electric seat only. So I'm not going to open the sound system this time. Okay. Before I go to the seat, I will show you how to use the aircon first. This is the driver aircon control. This is the normal, how to use normally. AC will only be on only if the driver is on. If you turn on the rear and you not turn on the driver, AC will not be able to operate. So please keep the driver at the low even if you don't need it. This is to control the temperature of the car, both at the front and at the rear. So if you want it cooler, so you go right, and if you want warmer, you go left. And this one is to turn on the rear system. Once you turn on the rear system, this switch will be on. This is to control the power of the fan at the back. So this one you keep it on, this one also on, so you see these two lighting. And the fan, we have 5 levels. First is the auto, which is the A and the U, and you press up and it goes start from the volume speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and the number 4 at the fullest. The passenger aircon is at the back. You can see the wind is coming. And if you turn off to automatic, you see this temperature as 25 is at the moment is 25, and you can set the temperature to whatever you wish. Like at this video I set at the 20, and it bounced back to the 24 again. So that means at the moment is 24 and I set at 20. Once the temperature go close together, the fan will be automatically lower, so you don't have to adjust by yourself every time, but it will only lower the fan. If you want to lower the temperature, you have to go back to this one. Okay? And now I'm going to show you how to use the seat. So please keep this on. So our electrical seat has revolving. This one for revolving. And this one for electric recline, forward and backward, and leg rest. And this one is for massaging. So you have auto, full, step, and off. This is the recliner, so you press backward back. So you want to slide forward a little bit. This is the long sliding forward. And you will be able to recline more. Back up, you press forwarding, you go back up. This one you can slide forward and backward as well, but it will be short term only. You can see this sliding handle, so you can, this one is electrical forward and electrical backwards. It's far enough so sometimes it touch. If you want to use, please use electrical forward first, then you can see the handle. And leg rest, you press this one, tilt it up. And we also have the folding table. This one you can do rotate 360 degree. This one also have the between cup holder. You can manually pull up and pull down. You have suspension here, so it will stay. On the left side also working the same. You have recliner, forward and backward, leg rest, and the long sliding for the left side is beside the car. This one you can see is touching the seat, so you have to use electrical forward a little, then you can use this handle to slide. And now I'm going to show you how to rotate the seat. First I will be use the manual slide first. And I will recline this seat up to nearly the vertical position. And this is the recline, rotation handle. So you pull, then this seat will be rotatable. If at some point it's stuck, use the electrical sliding to help, because sometimes it touches the legs or the handle, so you need to use the electrical slider. But at this time, no, I don't need it. Okay. And once I pull, and if I want the walk-in angle to be wider, I use more electrical slide. Now the walking in way will be really wide. This one also same. The manual rotation is also on this side. Also on this side. Pull the same. And once the release the lock, you can be able to rotate. I will tilt up this one a little bit. And once touch, I use the electrical sliding to help. This one can also help as well once it's touched. The second seat can also do the sliding. So I have more room to do the rotation. Now it's not touching. Also same, if you wish to pull back manually, and you can use electrical again, so let's go backward really much and recline. So you get this meeting room experience. The electric seats, you also have massage on both sides, but once you turn facing back, this one will not be able to do the up anymore, so please keep down. Now the second seat, I have the armrest both sides and the sliding rail on the second seat. We're sliding really much to the front here. And far back as you wish. This one also same. Far front. This one adjust as you wish. The seat behind also have the sliding rail at the front and at the back. Now I'm going to show you the front. And I'm going to slide back. And behind, you can also push the seat forward as well. You pull this one first, and you push the seat. Pull this one again, pull back. The wood finish at the steering wheel is also finished. And even I turn off the sound system, I will still be able to use the reverse camera. This one you can change the language as well. So you go to setting, and it's here, the tools. And this one in English will be languages, system language. So if the reverse camera is gone, just in case, so you go to tools, camera setting, and set everything according to this. Back camera input on, camera priority battery. This tool will use will come back the reverse camera for you. And now I'm going to show you how to open the engine bay. I will slide this one back just a little. Now before you open the engine bay, please take the driver armrest off. Now this console will have the lock, which is behind the seat on both sides. And now you're sliding this console just a little bit further from the engine bay. So now once I pull the console further from the engine bay, release these two locks. One here and one here. You'll be able to see the engine. After you finish, please bring it back to the original position.